The Supreme Court, we are being told right now, has admitted the CBI plea to challenge the acquittal of the Talwars in the murder of their daughter and their house help. Let's go across to Vaidya for the latest on that. Vaidya, we thought we'd heard the last, but clearly the Supreme Court has admitted this plea. That means Talwars will have to prove their case all over again now. Vaidya, if you can hear me. All right, we seem to be having an audio issue there, but the flashes that Vaidya is sending us are this, that the Supreme Court has admitted the CBI plea against the Talwars' acquittal. It has issued notice to the dentist couples, and the Supreme Court taxed the CBI appeal with the appeal of Hemraj's wife. Now, what's the background to the story? The background is the Supreme Court had taken up the appeal filed by the CBI against the acquittal of the dentist couple Rajesh and Nupur Talwar in the 2008 twin murder case of their daughter Aarushi and domestic help Hemraj. The top court had already issued notices to the couple on an appeal filed by Hemraj's wife, and in October 12 last year, Allahabad High Court, remember, had already acquitted the couple. It was said to be a big relief. Those visuals that we are getting you are when the Talwars finally got out of Dasna jail in UP, and they came back home saying that they had been acquitted, they were freed. Those visuals that we are showing you are how their mother greeted them back, and they had given out that they were finally innocent in this case. But the case is now opening up all over again in Supreme Court. And earlier on, there was a plea by Hemraj's wife saying that no, according to her, the Talwar couple, Aarushi's parents, were responsible for the death and the murder of her husband. And now the CBI has joined that plea, and they want this case to be revisited in Supreme Court. We'll try and see if we have Vaidya for more on that. We are trying to get Vaidya to get us more details in this, but it's a big development happening there, where, remember, like we told you earlier on, it was just Hemraj's wife who had approached the top court asking them to have a relook on the matter. But now CBI has joined in the appeal and saying that this is an appeal against the High Court order. Remember, earlier High Court had acquitted the couple, and now the case, like we said, will be open again, yet again, in the country's top court.